Hello friends, welcome to SSP Math. Today we are going to start new topic, that is linear combination of vectors. In last video we already learned subspace of a vector space. Now what is linear combination of a vector? How we write given vector as a linear combination of another vectors in V. So let V be a vector space over R and let V1 to Vn are the elements of V and that are the vectors. Then any elements of the form C1 V1 plus C2 V2 plus so on plus Cn Vn, where C1 C2 Cn are the elements of R, is called a linear combination over R of vectors in V. Means V be the vector space, V1 to Vn are the elements of V, and we have to write, suppose if we take V be any vector in V, so we have to write that vector in linear combination, or if V1 to Vn are the elements of V, then there exist n scalar C1 to Cn such that C1 V1 plus C2 V2 plus Cn Vn. So such a combination is called as linear combination over R of vectors in V. Now after linear combination, in today's lecture we have to learn the next topic of our syllabus, that is linear span. Now what is meant by linear span? The vectors v1 v2 up to so on vn spans a space if every vectors in V can be expressed as a linear combinations of v1 v2 up to so on vn. It is denoted by L of S, that is L of S is equal to V equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 plus so on plus Cn Vn. So what is the meaning of this? V1 to Vn are the n vectors. V1 to Vn are the n vectors, and if every vectors in V can be expressed as a linear combination of V1 to Vn. Means suppose if we take any one vector in V, say ABC, and if we express that vector ABC is as a linear combination of V1 V2 up to so on Vn, or that vector is say S, or V be the any vector, okay, and if you write V as a linear combination of V1 V2 Vn, that is C1 V1 plus C2 V2 plus so on plus Cn Vn in this form, then we can say that V spans that set. Okay, so first problem is write the vector V is equal to 1 minus 2 5 as a linear combination of the vectors V1 is equal to 1 1 1, V2 equal to 1 2 3, and V3 is equal to 2 minus 1 1. Now here given vector is V is equal to 1 minus 2 5, and we have to write this vector as a linear combination of these three vectors. So given that three vectors, there exist three scalars C1 C2 C3 such that we have to write this V is equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 plus C3 V3. So this is the linear combination of vector V in terms of V1 V2 V3. Now we have to find here only C1 C2 C3, and after getting C1 C2 C3, then we can say that V is a linear combination of this V1 V2 V3. So how we find C1 C2 C3? Here put the vectors V V1 V2 V3 in equation 1. So V vector is 1 minus 2 5, this is a row vector, is equal to C1 into V1 is 1 1 1 plus C2 into V2 is 1 2 3 plus C3 into V3 is 2 minus 1 1. Okay, so if you multiply this C1 C2 C3 inside these vectors, and if we use equality of matrices, then we will get first equation here C1 into 1, that is C1, plus C2 into 1 C2 plus C3 into 2, that is 2 C3 is equal to 1 using equality of matrices. Then this 1 into C1 is C1, 2 into C2 is 2 C2, then minus 1 into C3 is minus C3 is equal to minus 2, and C1 into 1 is 1, third equation, that is 3 C2, then 3 C2, and plus 1 into C3, that is C3 is equal to 5. Okay, so using these three equations we have to find C1 C2 C3. So how we find C1 C2 C3? For C1 C2 C3 we have to use matrix method, right? This is the system of linear equations in terms of C1 C2 C3. So write in matrix form, that is 1 1 2, then 1 2 minus 1, 1, 3, 1 into C1, C2, C3 is equal to 1 minus 2, 5. And from this consider augmented matrix. This is AB is equal to AX is equal to B form, okay, where X is C1, C2, C3 matrix. Now consider augmented matrix AB and reduce to canonical form. So augmented matrix AB is here 1, 1, 2, 1, then 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 3, 1, 5. Okay, and if you reduce this matrix to canonical form, for that we have to make this one element 0 and this one is 0. So use operation here, R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1. So if we use this operation, then R1 as it is 1, 1, 2, 1. Then 1 minus 1, 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Then 1 minus 1 is 0, 3 minus 1 is 2, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, and 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, now second diagonal element is this one. We have to make this 2 equal to 0, and for that use operation R3 minus 2 times R2. So if you use R3 minus 2 times R2, then first rows as it is, second row is also as it is, 0, 1, minus 3, and third row 0, 2 minus 2, 0, minus 1, minus plus 6, that is 5, and 4 plus 6, that is 10. Okay, now using this again write down system of linear equations in terms of C1, C2, C3. So from first row we can write C1 plus C2 plus 2C3 equal to 1. From second row we can write C2 minus 3C3 equal to minus 3, and from third row we can write 5C3 is equal to 10. So by back substitution from this we will get C3 is equal to 2. Put C3 is equal to 2 here, then we will get C2 minus 3 into 2 is 6 is equal to minus 3. So C2 is equal to minus 3 plus 6, that is 3. Okay, and put C2 and C3 in first equation, then C1 plus C2 is 3 and plus 2 into 2 4 equal to 1. 4 plus 3 7. So this implies C1 is equal to 1 minus 7 is minus 6. So C1 is equal to minus 6, C3 is equal to 2, and C2 is equal to 3. Put C1, C2, C3 in equation 1, and therefore equation 1 becomes V is equal to C1, that is minus 6V1, plus C2 3V2, and plus C3 2V3. So this shows that, or this is the linear combination of V in terms of V1, V2, V3. So next example is, for which value of k will the vector v equal to 1 minus 2k be a linear combination of the vectors v1 equal to 3, 0, minus 2 and v2 equal to 2, minus 1, minus 5. So how to find the value of k, and in problem given that v is a linear combination of v1 and v2. v1 and v2 are the two vectors, so there exist two scalars c1, c2 belongs to R such that here we have to given that v is equal to c1 v1 plus c2 v2, where v1 and v2 are the elements of v and c1 and c2 are the elements of R. Now v is equal to c1 v1 plus c2 v2 means that is v is 1 minus 2k is equal to c1 into v1, that is 3, 0, minus 2 plus c2 into v2 2, minus 1, minus 5. Now by equality of matrices, if we take addition here, then we will get 3c1 plus 2c2 is equal to 1. c1 into 0 is 0c1, minus c2 is equal to minus 2. So using this we get directly here c2 is equal to 2. Okay, and then minus 2c1 minus 5c2, this minus 5 times c2 equal to k. Now here c2 equal to 2, if you put here, then we will get c1 here, that is 3c1 plus 2 into 2 4 equal to 1. So this implies 3c1 is equal to 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 is minus 3, so C1 is equal to minus 1. Okay, put C1 equal to minus 1, C2 equal to 2 here, then minus minus plus, that is 2, minus 5 into 2 is equal to K, so implies K is equal to 2 minus 10 is minus 8. So this is the value of K. Okay, so this problem was very simple. Now next problem is determine whether the following set spans R3. So in which first problem is set given a 1 1 0 and 3 0 0, means column vector given a, suppose this vector is v1 is equal to 1 1 0 and v2 is equal to 3 0 0. Okay, so this problem is on spanning, linear span. So you have to check that this set is spanning set or not. So if you take, suppose here column vector given is, so take column vector again, A B C be any vector in R3. Okay, and if we write suppose this ABC as a linear combination of V1 and V2, then we can say that given set is a spanning set. So how to write? Suppose this vector is V. Okay, so we have to write here V is equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2. If this linear combination is possible, means if we write this V as a linear combination of V1 and V2, then we can say that given set is a spanning set. Now we will check. So V vector is ABC is equal to C1 into V1, V1 is 1 1 0, and plus C2 into V2, V2 is 3 0 0. Okay, now by equality of matrices again, 1 into C1 is C1 plus 3 C2 is equal to A. Then second equation is C1 plus 0 C2 is equal to B, and third equation is 0 C1 plus 0 C2 is equal to C. So if we write this system in matrix form, then we get 1 3 1 0 0 0 into C1 C2 is equal to ABC. Okay, and from this if we consider augmented matrix AB, the A matrix is this and B matrix is this, then 1 3 A 1 0 B and 0 0 C. Okay, and if we reduce this matrix to canonical form using operation here R2 minus R1, then we will get 1 3 A 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 3 is minus 3, and B minus A here, and last row is 0 0 C. So what is the rank of A matrix? Rank of A means this matrix. Rank of A is here 2 and rank of AB is 3. AB means total matrix की rank कितनी है? 3. So rank of A is not equal to rank of AB, and rank of A is not equal to rank of AB means this system is inconsistent. Inconsistent means it has no solution. So what is the meaning of this? Means इससे हम कह सकते हैं therefore we cannot write V as a linear combination of V1 and V2, and therefore given set is not spanning set. Given set is not spanning set. So next problem is same, determine whether this set is spanning set or not. If you observe here, suppose this vector is V1, this is V2 and this is V3, 1 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 3. I think if we take here, suppose V be the any vector, that vector is say ABC in R3, then check whether V is a linear combination of V1, V2, V3. In this problem rank of A equal to rank of AB answer. So this set is a spanning set. In next video we will start linear dependence and independence of vectors. Thank you.